What's up, YouTube? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rides, and today I'm headed over to Harley-Davidson to pick out some parts for Judy, the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3, and we are going to customize Judy on this channel together, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rides. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Glides and Low Rides. Stay tuned, because who knows where we're going to go next. What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute, but for the Road Glide 3, we're getting some new parts here. All Empire series. We got the front floorboards, the rear passenger floorboards. We got the heel toe shifter pads and the brake pad. And getting the, what was that?
Tab performance mufflers with the zombie baffle, 4.5 inch with the slash cut tip.
There we go, just like you guys recommended. I got the Tab Zombies and be ready to put it on. And but I did go with the headers by Chromeworks, so a little bit of everything. And so we're gonna.
The reason why I gave you the Chromeworks is because now the new Vance and like the Vance and Hines power dual headers that we normally use.
Yeah.
Those are now 50 state EPA compliant. So they have a catalytic converter in the header. Chromeworks is the only one that does not. So it's going to give you that more distinct sound than you would with the Vance and Hines.
There you go. You guys heard it first, man. Right here at Harley-Davidson in Washington. They get me straight at the parts counter. Come see John. All right, see you guys. So I want to take a minute to thank all my subscribers so far, and I got some great content coming up for you guys soon. I'm going to be adding a lot more parts to Judy. I'm going to be doing some riding on Grady with that 131. I'm going to take it out to the track and see how that thing performs. And I'm going to be out on Monet. Monet is the 22 Lowrider S. And I'm going to try and completely remodify the rear end on that one. There's a lot of different trips that I have coming up. Myrtle Beach, there's the Harley-Davidson Homecoming. Ton of local events and things like that. So I appreciate you guys for watching, subscribing, liking. It's been almost like less than a year since I've been going at this, so maybe a little bit more. But I just want to thank you subscribers so far for riding with me. And as I always say, stay tuned for greater content and stay tuned. I know a lot of you guys are here for this trike build, and some of you guys are even here for the new Gold Wing reviews that I'm going to be doing, just to kind of compare the pros and cons. A lot of people in the Harley-Davidson community tend to think that, hey, I'm aging out of this thing. I want something more reliable, something more consistent, and something more luxurious, and they go by a Gold Wing. But I'm here to do reviews on that and pros and cons of having each one, and talk about a whole bunch of different stuff. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Chris Glides and Low Rides. I hope you continue to stay with me as a subscriber, and appreciate all you guys that subscribe so far. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, and we're just about there. And I just want to keep you guys engaged, and it's going to be a lot of stuff coming to you guys. But anyway, thanks for watching this short episode of Chris Glides and Low Rides. See you guys soon.